Hello friends, welcome to Coding Host YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you program for taking user input in 2D array in Java. So in the program, first we have to import scanner. So I will write here import java.util.scanner, and after that in our main method we have to make object of this scanner class. So scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. You know that in 2D array we have row and column, so we have to take two variables to input for row and column. So first I will take row variable int r equal to sc dot next int, and after that I will take a variable int c equal to sc dot next int. So in this r variable we will take input for row, and in this c variable we will take input for columns of the array. And after that I will make a 2D array int, then square brackets a equal to new int, and in this square braces first I will enter r, and in the next one I will enter c. By writing like this we will make a empty array, and after that we also have to input elements in this array. So I will take two for loops for int I equal to 0 and I less than a dot length and I plus plus, and in this for loop I will take another for loop for int j equal to 0 and j less than a of 0 dot length and j plus plus, and inside the for loop I will write a, then square braces. In this I will pass I, and in the second brace I will pass j equal to sc dot next int, like this. And after that we also have to print the elements of this array. So we will use the same for loops to print the elements. So I will write the same here, but here I will replace this line with system dot out dot print, and in this I will write a I, then j plus and some space, and after that here in the first loop I will write system dot out dot println. So because we also want that our elements will be printed in row and columns. So let's run this program. Here you can check that it is asking for input. So first we have to input row, so I will enter 2, and then for column I will enter 4, and then we have to enter elements. So 2 into 4 is 8, so that means we have to input 8 elements. So I am entering 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and enter. So here you can check that we are getting elements in the separate lines because we have 2 rows and 4 columns. So here we have 2 rows and 4 columns. So now let's see how this program is working. So in the program first I will enter row. So in the row I will enter 2, and in the column variable I will enter 4. So here 4. After that int a equal to new int, in which I have passed r and c variable. So it will make a 2D array in which row is 2 and column is 4, like here, like this. So it is an empty array, and after that we also have to input elements in this array. So I have taken these two for loops. So for int I equal to 0 and I less than a dot length and I plus plus. So initial value of I is 0, so I will write here. After that it will check that I is less than a dot length. So a dot length means it will check the row variable. So row is 2, So 0 is less than 2, so our condition is true and we get inside the loop. After that we have a second loop here for int j equal to 0. J is less than a 0 total length and j plus plus. So here initial value of j is 0. After that it will check here j is less than a 0 total length. So it will check here with the column variable. So j is 0 which is less than 4, so our condition is true and we get inside our loop. And here we will take input a I of j equal to s dot next int. So at this indexes 0 and 0 we will input our first element 1. So in the array at this place we will insert 1. After that j plus plus, so it will become 1. After that here it will check that j is less than a 0 dot length, so 1 is less than 4, so our condition is true and we again get inside our loop. And here we will take input at I and j indexes, so I will insert 2. So in the array at 0 and 1 index I will enter 2. After that j plus plus, so now j will become 2. And here it will again check that j is less than a 0 dot length, so 2 is less than 4, so our condition is true and we again get inside our loop. And now I will enter 3. So in the array at index 0 and 2 I will enter 3. And after that j plus plus, so now it will become 3. After that it will again check that j is less than a 0 dot length, so 3 is less than 4, so our condition is true and we again get inside our loop. And now I will enter 4. So in the array at index 0 and 3 I will enter 4. And after that j plus plus, so now j will become 4. And here it will check that j is less than a 0 dot length, so 4 is equal to 4 and it is not less than 4, so our condition is false and our j loop will break. And after that I plus plus, so now I will become 1. After that it will check here that I is less than a dot length, so 1 is less than 2, so our condition is true and we get inside our loop. So now our this loop will start again and it will run from 0 to 3, but now value of I is 1, so now it will enter all the elements at indexes 1 0 1 1 1 2 and 1 3. So in the array at places 1 0 I will enter 5, and at 1 1 I will enter 6, at 1 2 I will enter 7, and after that I will enter 8. So we will take input like this using these two loops, and after that we will use the same loops for taking output, and in the same order we will get the output like 2 rows and 4 columns. So if you have seen my previous videos of introduction to 2D array in Java, so you will know the working of this for loops for printing the elements. So this is how we can write a program to take user input in 2D array in Java. Thank you.